in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Firefox is experiencing high CPU or memory usage on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to resolve it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to check and see if you have a lot of Firefox windows open or tabs, because every tab or window you have open uses more system resources. So I'd recommend closing out of tabs you're not using. And then if you're still having the issue, you can then select the hamburger icon on the top right and go down and select versus extensions and themes. Select extensions on the left panel. And if you have any extensions installed, I recommend temporarily or permanently deleting or removing them. Every single one of them is going to be slowing down your Firefox browser, so just keep that in mind. You may want to just clear out ones you're not really using anymore. And hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem. If not, you can select the help option up in the menu bar and select troubleshoot mode, and then select restart. And then it's going to give you an option to go ahead and refresh Firefox. So go ahead and select that. And you can start fresh to fix performance issues. I'd select refresh right there. And then just give it a moment. It's going to show all that information that it just imported back in. And hopefully, once it relaunches Firefox, you should be good to go. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.